Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this motorhome offers really good value for money. And what I mean by that is that you get a lot of luxury features for the price you pay. Today we are going to take a look at the best luxury RV motorhome with a big bathroom shower and hidden features. Let's jump right into it. So starting here in the front, we have the two swivel chairs, and they actually are made from leather and Alcantara. Next to the cab we have a bench, and opposite to the cab we have another bench. These benches can be extended so you can get more space out of them, and they can be converted into beds if needed. This area is mostly meant for seating, but it can be converted into a sleeping place for two people. We have a table that can be adjusted in height and different levels, and it can also be removed if you want to use the space for something else. Over the cab, we have a large electric drop-down bed, so the beauty of this bed is that when it's down, you still have access to the front door. You don't have to fold it away in order to open the door. So that's a real advantage. What I also like about this is the fact that the bed is covered with a mattress. It's not just like a plank. They could have saved some money there, but they decided to add a little bit more comfort to the bed. Here we have a large TV. We also have a lot of storage space above our head, and here we have a sky roof, which makes the whole area a lot brighter. Above the table, we have spotlights that can provide you with more light for reading or eating. If we go a little further and we tilt this bench, we have a lot of space underneath for storage. As you can see, a lot of stuff can fit in here. The next thing we're going to do is go into the kitchen area and take a look around. Starting here on the side, we have our fridge. It's quite a large one. It's an AES, so it works both on 12 volt, 230 volt, and on gas. And it even has a small freezer compartment. So that's really handy if you need to freeze some stuff. Further down, we have 3 gas burners and a sink. We have hot and cold water over here. Here we have our extractor fan, and as you can see, we have plenty of cupboards above the hob, including this cupboard over here. If we come here, we have another small cupboard. And if we open this, we have another smaller drawer underneath. So whenever you need your spices, you can put them in here. We have another drawer further down, and here we have our oven. So this is a full-size oven with a grill. I was really surprised to see an oven because normally you only see microwaves in vehicles like this. And I think having an oven is a huge advantage. Here we have a shelf for plates. And here we have our gas storage space. We have space for 2 bottles, but only one is installed. And over here we have another drawer. And underneath the bed, we have these storage spaces with LED lights. So this is a really well-thought motorhome because they took advantage of every space possible. Here we have another small drawer with LED light. And underneath the bed, we have another large drawer. So this is quite handy because whenever you go to bed, you can just close everything and you have access to all your stuff underneath the bed. And this area here can be used for storage or as an extra sleeping place. You can put a mattress on there, and it can sleep a child or a pet. Next to the kitchen, we have the bathroom, and I have to say that this bathroom feels luxurious. We have a separate shower cubicle. It's completely separated from the rest of the bathroom. So first of all, we have this door, and then we have another door inside in order to separate the shower from the rest of the bathroom. And the shower itself is quite large. It has a large base, and you can shower comfortably in there. We have a shower head and a shelf. Next to the shower, we have the main bathroom. We have a cabinet with a sink. And underneath the sink, we have a large drawer, and above the sink, we have a mirror. And above the mirror, we have another shelf with lights. We have a window up there, and we have a toilet. This toilet is a cassette toilet, so it's easy to remove and empty. And next to the toilet, we have another small cupboard with a shelf. Now we're going to go into the bedroom and take a look around. As I mentioned before, the motorhome can sleep up to 5 people. At the back, we have these 2 single beds which can be converted into a large double bed. The beds can be adjusted easily by removing the mattresses and flipping the bases. So here you can see how the bases look like. If we flip them around, we can slide them together, and then we have a large double bed. If we go further into the bedroom, we have a wardrobe here, and underneath the wardrobe we have a large drawer. We have another smaller drawer next to the bed, and we have a small bedside table. We have a skylight here, which makes the bedroom brighter, and a window. Now let's go to the control panels and see what we have. We have a control panel on this side which shows us all the vehicle information. We have a second control panel here which controls all the functions of the vehicle such as hot water, heating, etc. We have a booster for the hot water tank. We have our inverter, and we have our fuses. Now let's go into the driver's cabin and see what we have. As I said before, we have 2 swivel chairs and we have 2 additional seat belts here so we can travel with up to 5 people. We have a table here. If we lift this, we have a skylight up there. We have a heater up there as well. We have an airbag on this side. We have another airbag on this side. We have a steering wheel with cruise control. We have a trip computer. And overall, the driver's cabin is quite spacious, and driving this vehicle is a pleasure. We're now going to go outside and take a look at the exterior of the vehicle. We're going to start here on this side. We have an opening in the bodywork which allows us to drive with 3.5 tons. If we come further down, we have a large window, and here we have a door that allows us to enter the garage. We have a handle here and we have another handle over here, and here we have the gas bottle holder. We have another handle over here. We have a paragraph roof which is electrically operated, and if we go further down we have another paragraph roof and another window. Now we're going to go to the other side. First of all, we have a logo over here. We have a large opening in the bodywork which allows us to enter the garage. We have a handle over here and we have a handle here. We have another window. Now we're going to go to the back. Here we have a large tailgate. We have another small window, and if we open the tailgate, we have this part here which allows us to have a large entrance into the garage. This would be great if you have a pet, because it allows you to put them in the garage while you're traveling, and then pick them up directly from the back. We have another opening over here which allows us to have ventilation in the bathroom and the shower. Here we have our light for the exterior. We have 2 spots over here and here we have another spot. We have a socket here which allows you to plug something in the exterior of the vehicle. And we have a hose pipe holder. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.